Alexa, remember my favorite song is Groove Is in the Heart by D-Light.
You want me to remember my favorite song is Groove Is in the Heart, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll remember that.
We'll see about that. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we are talking about the February 2019 Boxycharm. If you want to see what I got in my box and what I think about it, then just hang out. So the first product is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm wearing lashes today. I cheated. I did use this mascara tube that I already had. I did not open the one that came in the boxy. I'm gonna include this in a giveaway for the future because I already have a tube of this and it's really not my favorite. I mean, I did wear it on my bottom lashes today. It works pretty good. It's good for volume and stuff like that, but it crumbles and it dries pretty quickly. So I find some like little black flecks on my cheeks sometimes because through the day it just dries and flakes off. So this is not my favorite. Don't hit me. I know this is a lot of people's super holy grail mascara. Good for you. So this was actually a really good item to get in a box like this because I know that people really love it. Next is this pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. I got the color Shimmering Swan, like I just said. This retails for $32. That is very pricey for a highlighter. I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter brush. Ooh. That's really nice. Let's use it for inner corner highlight. Let me get a pencil brush. Ooh, that does make a really pretty inner corner highlight, you guys. So when I got the box and I opened it up, I tried to swatch it on my face, but I was all sweaty from the gym, so I already had natural highlight on. You know what I'm saying? Would I pay $32 for this? Probably not. But I really like it. I'm glad that I got it. The packaging, I can't decide how I feel about this packaging. Also, my friend Erin, hi Erin. My friend Erin also got this in her Boxycharm and it was shattered. So, zoinks. Okay, the next thing on my little card here is this Touch in Soul No Poreblem Primer. It retails for $18. Calm yourself. Ambulance? Police car? City life. This retails for $18. So anytime I see anything that says pore smoothing, pore covering, I'm kind of like, Also, primers are like, I don't really care about primers. Sometimes I use them. I'm always trying. You know what I'm saying? I'm always trying because, you know, I would like my makeup to last longer or to look nicer or to apply better, and sometimes primer works. I guess maybe I haven't really figured out which formulas work best for which formula of foundation or cream makeup or powder makeup that I might be using. Typically for me, I think just good skin prep and moisturizing is good. That's what I would use on clients if I'm doing a freelance makeup job. I wouldn't normally use a primer. I did use this today. The good news is it smells really nice. It actually has a pretty strong fragrance, but it's not like bad. And it made my skin feel really smooth and hydrated. My skin looks nice. The makeup that I'm wearing today is problematic. I pulled something out of the drawer that I never use because I got a wild hair and I was like, you know what, maybe this would make it work. It didn't. By the way, it took like 2 or 3 tries and a lot of work to like get this foundation on, and if you look really closely, and I'm not going to show you, it looks terrible. I don't think it's the primer, I think it's the foundation. So, okay, the next thing that I squealed when I saw this in the box, this is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This retails, the full size retails for $22. I love this brand. Oh my gosh, everything that I've gotten or tried or sampled from Farmacy has been amazing. This also smells delicious like honey. If you love honey, you're gonna love this. The best part is it works. It works really well. I've been using it for the last couple days since I got the box. It smells so good and it foams up like a lot. So if you're using it with like an agitator brush like a Clarisonic or something like that, I mean, poof, it will like foam up so nice. So what I've been doing is I do like a quick pass just to kind of get my makeup off, and then I'll go over it with this cleanser to really get my skin nice and clean. Oh, it's so good. It feels really cleansing. It doesn't strip the oils or make my skin feel tight. You know that is not a good sensation for anybody, but this is really nice and refreshing. So I love, love, love it. I don't know if that's fragrance or if that's really honey, but I don't care because I like it a lot. So this I love, love, love. And then the last thing we have is this treStique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This retails for $25. I got English Rose, which is right up my alley. Yes. This is a 2-part product, right? So at the bottom of the crayon here, oh, we got a little bit of a primer, so I'm going to apply that now. Okay, and then the other cool thing about this is there's like a little magnet. So like when you let it go, super satisfying little snap. So if you were carrying this in your bag on the go, you wouldn't have to worry about the lid coming off and it ruining the product inside. So the tip is actually a unique shape. I have not seen this before in a lip product, but see the shape? Isn't that cool? So it's like narrow and square. Like it's not your traditional bullet tip or doe foot. You know, so let's put it on. I like it. It goes on very light. I can't really speak to the wear time because I haven't really worn it, but I mean, it's a cream lipstick. They don't really last that long, especially if you're eating or drinking. I mean, it's pretty and it feels really moisturizing. It just feels like lip balm. So I like it. Did I tell you that that is $25? That's $25. Well, geez, that went really fast. So what are my thoughts on the February 2019 Boxycharm? I like it. So even though I am going to pass this mascara on to somebody who's gonna love it a little bit more, the rest of it I really like. I know the last 2 Boxycharms have maybe not been 100% awesome, but I am super excited about all of these products this month. And you know what I'm really excited about is next month is the Boxy Luxe. Don't forget to upgrade to try it out if you haven't. I actually remembered to do it this time, so next month I'm getting the Boxy Luxe. So that's the upgrade where you get a few more products or Luxe products. Super excited about that. I'm also excited about a few other things that I have cooking that you will find out about soon enough, and we are nearing another giveaway. What I plan to do is, you know, I've been kind of saving a few items that I really like, but either I have or just maybe aren't right for me at this moment, but I want to pass them on to you. So stick around and you'll learn more about the giveaway when it's time, which is going to be soon. I'm speaking in code right now. Forgive me. So I know that's short, but you know, because we didn't get like an eyeshadow or anything like that, it kind of makes demoing these products really simple, you know? Sometimes that's what you need, is just simplicity. That wraps up this month's Boxycharm. Did you get the same box as me? Let me know in the comments down below. I know that Kate definitely got different stuff in her box. She got the Bum Bum Cream, which when I did not get it, I was like, that means I was mad. Okay, I was ready to leave. I'm just gonna have to buy it myself. I wanted, Sol de Janeiro has a different kind of Bum Bum Cream. It's the cocoa something cream. It's got the blue teal packaging. Did you get it? Do you like it? Tell me all about it, make me jealous. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, then let me know with a thumbs up, comment, subscription, to hit notification bell, follow me on all the socials, all of that stuff that I say all the time. Are you tired of hearing it? Anyways, that's it. I hope you are having a great week, and I will see you next week in the next video. Bye! Alexa, my favorite song is Groove is in the Heart by D-Light.
You want me to remember my favorite song is Groove is in the Heart by D-Light, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Alexa, play my favorite song.
I don't know enough about your taste in music.
You bitch. Alexa, stop. Alexa, remember my favorite song. Remember that my favorite song is Groove is in the Heart. Alexa, play my favorite song.
Okay, here's my favorite murder with Karen Cougar.
No! Alexa, play my favorite song.
I don't know enough about your taste in music. When
This
you hear music you like, just
Alexa,
playlist you
stop.
might like.
Alexa, play Groove is in the Heart by D-Light.
Groove is in the Heart by D-Light on Amazon Music.
Alexa, I like this.
Great.
Alexa, this is my favorite song.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
No, I'm telling you. Alexa, remember this is my favorite song.
You want me to remember this is my favorite song. right?
Yes. Yes. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play my favorite song.